Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Hope you enjoyed my previous videos. Coming back to the next topic, let's start trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles means the sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. Sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. For example, if angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degrees, this is what complementary angle. Suppose angle A is theta. Suppose angle A is theta. Now what will be your angle B? Angle B will be 90 minus theta. What will be your angle B? 90 minus theta. If angle A is theta, angle B is 90 minus theta. Let's use this concept. In today's class, we'll be using this concept. Okay. In a triangle ABC, if angle B is equals to 90 degrees and angle A is equals to theta, for example, I am saying in a triangle ABC, in a triangle A, B, C, angle B is how much? 90 degrees. If suppose angle A is some theta, now what will be your angle C? Angle C will be what? 90 minus theta. Clear? Okay. When I consider angle A, the side opposite to theta is BC. I am writing here opposite. And the side adjacent to theta is AB. I am writing adjacent. When I consider theta, that is sine theta, O by H. Hope you all remember. And side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So what is sine theta? O by H. So sine theta is O is how much? BC and H is how much? AC. Clear? Okay. When I consider angle C, that is 90 minus theta. When I consider angle C, 90 minus theta, the opposite to 90 minus theta is AB. So I write here AB. And side adjacent to theta is BC. So I write here adjacent. AC is hypotenuse. Clear? Okay. So how do you find sine 90 minus theta? Sine 90 minus theta. Sine formula O by H. O is how much? AB by AC. Clear? Now come back to cos theta. What is cos formula? Old Henry and his, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? AB, that is AB by AC. Now come back to this cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is A by H. A is how much? BC by AC. Hope you all know this. Now listen, I am going to derive a small derivation I am going to explain today. That is not important, but just for knowledge I just want to explain this. See, sine 90 minus theta. I'll write it here and show in a box. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. Answer is what? AB by AC. Correct? AB by AC. Sine 90 minus theta is AB by AC. But what is AB by AC? It is cos theta. So the derivation is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. 90 minus theta is cos theta. See, you not have to buttify this derivation. Just for your knowledge, I explain. What you have to remember is all the formulas. All the formulas.